Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. So first thing I'm going to do, though, is just do a little house cleaning and get rid of a couple of lines, both here and here. Yes, both those lines still do pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion. So let's just kind of try to keep this as clean as possible. Overall, though, good solid day. And that first update that kind of illustrates the nice bullish day comes about based on the foundational rule that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into next week, that ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above $2.10. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 210, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay above 210, that would be great. Next key level of support in the event 210 doesn't hold would be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, and that's currently valued at the $2 mark. So those will be the two primary levels of support going into tomorrow. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, let's map out a couple of those. As far as short-term wise, if you're watching level 2 today, I'm sure you exactly know where I'm going to go with this. But as random as it is, right there at about $2.22, for whatever reason, was just very stubborn, and the price could essentially never break through it today. So that'll be public enemy number one going into next week. In the event the bulls can push through 222, next key overall area seems to be right up there around the $2.33 mark. So all in all, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Nice way to close out the week, so we'll see how this one all plays out next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.